Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Traditional Ashura recipe. In this video, the traditional Ashura made and distributed in Muharram. The materials here can be made Ashura for 750 people. 9 kilograms of wheat. It says that there is special wheat for Ashura on the packages. 5 kilograms of dried apricots. 4 kilograms of raisins. 2 kilograms of black currants. 2 kilograms of nuts. 1 kilogram walnut. 4 kilograms of white beans. 4 kilograms chickpeas. 6 bay leaves. Clove. Lemon salt. 8 liters of milk. 25 kilograms of granulated sugar. 3 kilograms of rice. 4 kilograms of peanuts. 100 grams of powdered vanilla. 3 kilograms of cornstarch. Preparations must be started one day in advance to make Ashura. Dry legumes products and dried fruits should be soaked in water one day in advance. Add cold water into chickpeas and beans and leave for at least 5 hours. Add the wheat into a large pot and wash several times. Add plenty of cold water and leave for one night. The chickpeas and beans that waited for 5 hours are about to overflow from the containers as you see them. Chickpeas and beans to be cooked the day before. Wash the chickpeas. Boil chickpeas in large pots for 3 hours. Take the foam formed on the water. Dried apricots need to prepare one day in advance. Chop the dried apricots. Dried fruits are sold chopped, but cheaper than unchopped. Add chopped apricots into the container. Add cold water to the apricots, likewise wait one night. Chop walnuts. Walnut kernels only need to shrink a little. Add cold water into walnut. Insert the grains of nuts into a large nylon bag. Prepare all grain nuts in the form of broken grains. Without over-crushing, tapping, break the hazelnut kernels into 2 halves. Add raisins into the deep pots and add cold water. Small currants can insert into the same pots. Add cold water and let stand overnight. Add beans into boiled chickpeas for 3 hours. And cook it for 1 hour. Chickpea and beans will be fully cooked in total 4 hours. Cookware open top can wait 1 night in a cool environment. One day after. Wheats as seen in the water waited 1 night. Beans and chickpeas cooked, waiting ready. Cracked nuts. Walnuts soaked in cold water. Chopped dried apricots waited in the water and pulled into the water softened. Raisins waited in the same way and swollen. Add plenty of water to large pot. Add the wheat into the strainer. Add the wheat to a large pot and boil. Check once in a while, stir, wheat can burn. Add and boil water in 2 separate large pots. Add the nuts. Add lemon, salt, bay leaf and cloves to the clean water you added. Add walnuts, raisins and dried apricots into the strainer. Add the boiled beans and chickpeas. Other materials also add. Add peanuts and stir. Materials will leave black color in this water. We will add all materials to other pots. Ashura needs to be done this way to be white. Stir rice and stir. Add and mix the sugars. 10 kilograms added to the small pot and 15 kilograms added to the large pot. Take the ingredients with strainer and add to other pots. As you can see, black water and vitamins will stay here. The important thing is that white vitamin does not matter, in our opinion such. Mix cornstarch with cold water. Add the starch to the boiling ashura. Add slowly with stirring. Boil a little after the starch is added. The soup will be consistency. Add vanilla into a container and mix with cold water. Add to ashura. Add cold milk slowly while stirring. As you can see, a very nice and delicious ashura in white. Turn off the fire after boiling for 3 minutes. Ashura will be distributed free of charge to people in a public place.
Ali güzel dağıt.
You can use pomegranate seeds for presentation of Ashura. Add Ashura into the bowl. Add pomegranate seeds and cinnamon on top. Serve. Something amazing, sweet, satisfying and very tasty. We have come to the end of a video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you in a new video. Goodbye.